In this video, I'm going to talk about Shopify Collections and Shopify tags and how you can use them in your website. Firstly, if we go to our administration area and click on Products, we'll see below here we've got Collections. Now, a collection is simply a way of grouping products together. In other platforms, you might be more familiar with the term categories. So it's just a grouping of products, and there are two different types of collections. So if I click on Collections here and go up to Create Collections, you'll see in here I've got two options. I can create a manual collection. A manual collection simply means that you're going to add the products individually specifically to that collection. It's the way that you're most likely to do it if you're importing large numbers of products because it's the most accurate way to do it. You're less likely to have issues with typing mistakes. An automated collection is one that grabs products that meet certain categories. So you don't record anything on the product for this other than if you're looking at the tag, for example. You might say, I want a product tag that equals a certain value, or it could be a product type, or products within a certain weight group, whatever it might be. Inventory stock, it might be stock products that you got a lot of stock of, you want to put into a special category to promote. So they're the two different types of categories. So let's go back and have a look at a product and what that means within the product. So going to my products list, if I have a look at this product, the wheelchair, over here on the right hand side, we'll see we've got a product type, we've got collections, which is where we add the collection. So it's in the collections called wheelchairs, which is a manual collection. This particular one also is an automatic collection called featured, and we're using that for our recommended products promotion. So this one's added automatically. This one picks up because with the featured collection, we have the word, it looks for the word featured in tags. So any product that we want to add to our promotion, we just go in here and add the word featured into the tags. You can add a product to more than one manual collection as well, simply by clicking on here and tick the boxes that you want to add it to. So it's very easy ways to use. There's a few other things that tags are useful for, which I'll show you from the front of the website. The way we've set this particular website up is we have our catalog menu. These are all our main categories for products, and they are all manual collections, simply because that was the easiest way to do it. But if I go into one of these, for example, if I go to wheelchairs, on the left hand side we'll see we've got listings of subcategories within that wheelchair group. So we've got, for example, two hemiplegic wheelchairs. If I click on that, it just shows up those two products. So you can filter down on which products within a collection. The way that's done and this is something that is going to be different with different Shopify themes. We've used the Venador theme. If we go into our themes and customize the theme, how that works is quite simple. So firstly, up the top here, we select the collections pages. And we go to collection layout and find products. That's this button down here. So this is our menu of all of our fixed categories. Down here, we go to find products, and we have a list of every tag that we want to feature on the left hand side. Now that's a lot of tags obviously, and you wouldn't want all of those showing up on every collections page, but the way the theme works is it only shows up a a tag or a menu link for a tag that has products from the collection that you're in. So we're in the wheelchair collection here. We're only seeing the menu-based, tag-based menus for wheelchair products where there is a product. If there is a tag in there for wheelchairs, but we don't have anything in there yet, it would also not show up here. It'll only show up once there's a product in there. And as new tags come, we just need to go into this list, type the new one in there, put a comma, then type the new tag in, and that now will show up on the front of the website when there is a related product. And that's how a simple overview of how we use collections, how we can add products to collections, and how we can use the tags for different products. I will cover one more. If we just go to our home page, I touched on it earlier. Down here we have our recommended products banner. The recommended products banner picks up all of the products in our featured products collection. So the featured products collection is an automatic one, as I mentioned. So it just means it has a tag in the product called featured. So they can be added and removed from products as we want to change which products are presented in this list. And that's how we're using collections, manual and automatic collections, as well as tags on this website.